Good morning. This is Mama Odit. I hope everybody doing well in this difficult time. Gonna keep myself busy today making a homemade falafel. Lots of people requested, and it's a vegetarian dish, very famous. You're gonna like it if you try it and do it exactly what I do. You're gonna get a great result. Okay, so the ingredients, and I have 1 pound of fava bean. You can get it from any store, and I soak it for 24 hours, and it become like this. And after 24 hours, I'm gonna drain the water, and here is my drainer, and I will bring it back. Okay, so this is my fava bean. I have a big bowl right here, and then I have half bunch of parsley, half bunch of cilantro, 5 cloves of garlic. I have 2 medium onion. I'm gonna cut in pieces. Because I'm gonna put all this in a food processor, so I'm just cutting little small pieces. And I use from my garden leek. You can buy it from the store. Make sure you clean it very well, because usually it comes with lots of mud. So I wash it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and chop it a little bit. You can use the whole one or two. If it's one big one is enough, or you can use 2 small one. That would be good too. Okay. So we get all this ingredient. Usually when I buy my cilantro and my parsley, I didn't wash them. I just cut a little bit of the tip in the bottom, and I store them in jars. It can stay in the fridge for over a week, and it doesn't get spoiled or anything like that. So I just took some from the parsley and the cilantro to use it for my falafel. Now I'm gonna bring my food processor, and I'm just gonna take some at a time. And if you don't have a big food processor like this, you can use the little shop one. You can use this one too, but it's gonna take you a while to finish the whole batch. So, and that's why I'm gonna use my big ones, because I do larger quantity of the falafel, and usually I store it in my freezer. So we're done with this. Sometimes you might need a little bit water when you do the food processor. So I'm gonna get a little bit of water, and I'm gonna start sharp on high. Put a little bit water, just maybe 2 tablespoons, and you just repeat it. You want to make sure it's very well grind. And that's why I turned it off and go back and I just make sure all of them get fine in a fine. There you go. And again, if you see it kind of a little dry, you can put a little bit water to mix with the mix. You just want to make sure you get it all dry, and I will show you the thickness of it. There you go. So that's what usually it looks like. I'm gonna repeat this process till I'm done with all my falafel mix, and I will come back and show you. Okay. This is my last the batch. I'm gonna turn it off. Look at how beautiful it is. And just to let you guys know, it's so reasonable. So the whole batch probably wouldn't cost you more than $3. I'm not kidding you. And you can feed a whole family. You can store it, and you can pull it from the freezer as you need it. So this is my falafel. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna share with you the ingredient. So this is the textures of it. Look at how beautiful it is. Okay. Okay, now I usually put the whole seasoning on it and I freeze it. So here's my ingredient. For the people who know me, I really don't measure, but you can use the salt as you desire. So I'm gonna go ahead and put maybe 2 tablespoons for that whole batch. Okay. And 2 tablespoons of cumin. And coriander, usually I put more of that. So maybe 3. 1, 2. I have more here. This is make the falafel really tasty and nice. And crushed pepper, this one as you desire to. Some people like it spicy, some people doesn't like spicy. So if you like spicy, you can put 1 tablespoon. And I mix everything. And also some people like it with sesame seeds, some people doesn't. So if you're allergic to sesame seed, you don't have to put sesame seed. You can put this one when you fry the falafel. So we're gonna mix everything up. So what about to fry our falafel? I just want to make sure you get all the spice, the one I use for the falafel. And right now I'm gonna take some, because I'm not gonna fry all of this. I'm gonna freeze the rest. I'm just gonna take some for me and my husband for tonight, like this. And I will definitely I will freeze this one, put them in a Ziploc, and I can use them as I need them. My husband likes sesame on my falafel, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some sesame. as you see. You can put more, you can put less, is not really. So this is my falafel. And before I do it, I just get half teaspoon of baking soda, and I will put some water in it. So I can dip my spoon before I put it in my oil. So you can use any kind of oil. About that much, maybe about 3 cups of oil, and I put it on 400 temperature, and I think it is ready. So what I do usually, I get a teaspoon, and I will just scoop like this, and I will do it like this, and I'll put it in my fryer. And every once in a while, you just dip your spoon in the water and baking soda. It's gonna take usually about 10, maybe less than 10 minutes to fry, and then I'll show you how it look like. It's supposed to be come out like nice golden brown. So here is the falafel. You can tell it's nice and beautiful golden brown. I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop it, put it on a paper towel. This is your falafel. And I made a tahini sauce. I'm gonna give you the ingredient. I used tahini, half a cup of tahini, half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and if you don't have vinegar, you can use a lemon, and you mix them all together till reach that thickness. And then if you can put some salt and pepper as you desire, with a little bit of cumin and a little bit of chili pepper if you like it spicy. And that's it. And we're gonna go ahead and have a dinner today, falafel, and here is your meal, vegetarian meal, falafel, pita bread, tahini sauce, and lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and enjoy it. And I hope you'll like it, and we'll see you on the next dish, and have a great day. Bye-bye.